equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, gather the necessary tools for this maintenance task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components of your Lenovo ThinkPad safely and effectively. Start by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is vital for your safety and the integrity of the device. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your ThinkPad. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heatsinks. This is essential for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any liquid propellant from escaping. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Next, take the microfiber cloth and gently wipe down the surfaces inside the laptop. This will help remove any remaining dust and fingerprints. Be careful around sensitive components and avoid using any liquid cleaners, as they can cause damage. After cleaning, inspect the RAM and hard drive connections. If you're comfortable, you can reseat these components to ensure they are securely connected. This can help improve performance and resolve any issues you may be experiencing. If you prefer not to do this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs upfront. Once you've completed the cleaning and checks, carefully replace the back panel and screw it back into place. Ensure all screws are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check that everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your Lenovo ThinkPad and keep it running smoothly. Remember, if you need help at any stage, we are here to assist with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to maintain your device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.